Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another app, another miner. So today I'm just going to introduce you guys to the Redcoin miner app on the obviously on the Telegram ecosystem, Super straightforward, super easy. So it's not really much to talk to. The name of the app is Redcoin. We simply going to that app, we simply connecting our wallet and we just pressing farming. And unfortunately I don't have any assets as the current moment, so I'm running the free version of this, and the free version of this is basically farming every 24 hours. But if you have assets, if you have some ton coin, you are able to run, I think, the same amount of tokens within the half of the amount of time. So it's going to be 12 hours, if I'm not mistaken, though, because I think on the beginning I've received something, some tokens or something, and I was able to use it once. But as the current moment, like as you can see, I have 20 hours left to farm, which you see this on the bottom of the screen over there, basically. So that's about it. We are going to basically check the rest of the tabs. So I'm in the Copper League, whatever that means, place 25,000. Okay, so we have tasks, and one of the tasks is obviously to connect our wallet. Then we have watch ads, but nobody really want to do this. And then we have the daily raffle, which actually... Oh, it is automatic if you will watch 10 ads. So I guess it's not that bad, to be honest, to watch. Maybe I need to actually sort of do this, because at the end of the day I'll be like super happy to win 25 or 20 tons. Like honestly, 5 tons, if I be able to win at some point, and I probably will, because I'm just going to play fucking 50 apps or 60 apps per day, which that's the idea of the channel, by the way. This is the idea of using as many as possible miners and as much as possible apps for multitasking, to multitask them. But in the same time, I wish to have apps which I genuinely will like to play. So it's not just random apps. I will need to test them a bit, and then obviously everything what you can see in the description below, I'm running. So or I try to run. Well, actually running, but the thing is, like, I'm not that consistent with this, because I'm still need to keep track of new apps. But as soon as I will be able to sort of mold or shape that games I want to play, gather, maybe that's the word, like when I'm going to gather them at some point, let's say a month from now or 2 months from now, or be 3 months from now, then I will just consistently playing them and not really focusing much about diving into new apps. Although I'm running one app, which actually I need to check at least one new app on daily basis, which I will introduce you to this app at some point as well. Okay, so yeah, we can watch 10 ads. So 10 ads, it's not really that bad. It's not that much. So I might actually do this on daily basis. Although the tricky part is to understand or to remember the task within the every app, because currently I'm not really running that many apps. I don't even know how many I have in the description, but basically everything what I have in the description I'm running, like the all miners on the laptop. Half of the games I'm running here on the tablet, and half of the games I'm running on the desktop, because some of the games are, like to call them, like they're like low maintenance games, like you just need to go once per day. So I like to run them on the tablet, basically, so you can just go, 6-7 games or 8 games, you're just clicking once and you just get the fuck out. But some of the games you actually need to sort of be consistent with them. Like obviously you're going to use the energy super fast, to be honest with you, but then that's gonna recharge after a few hours, so you rather to have some of the apps on the desktop. That's why I have like idea in the future to run a couple of apps on the tablets, and then obviously the majority of apps on the desktop, which when I will have the stream you will see how my setup is going to looks like. Definitely my setup will looks totally different than anybody else in the world, because nobody have the crazy mind as I do. So stay tuned for this one. So yeah, that's the second tab. The third tab is the friends tab, and you can go through my referral link and join me. Fuck knows what I will receive, probably nothing. Invite friend and earn red. Get 100 red for register a friend without the premium red. 100, and if you have premium 500, so that 100 red is like fuck all, I believe so, because I already have like 120 reds. So yeah, like 100 reds is like, I don't know, like why, what's the reason behind, like why they giving so low, like what's what the fuck, what's that gonna change? Like genuinely I will need like a few million people to actually have something from it, like but still feel free to use my ref, I guess. Not really going to receive anything from that, as you can see. And then we have free. All right, so every 24 hours I can climb free. And then you can climb, but you need to use the tone, right? So I don't have any tone. Yeah, obviously. And then for some money we can climb like 1,000 VRED for $4, 5,000. Yeah, I don't wanna buy it. I don't wanna make it. I wanna earn something. For fuck's sake, make some money from it. So yeah, like fuck knows what we are going to achieve from that. The good thing is like you're just running this, you're just clicking once per 24 hours, and you can just get the fuck out. So I would just trying to be consistent with this. Didn't really check any newses because I still have like, I don't know, 20 games / apps to record for the YouTube, but next month I guess I'll be more into diving into reading newses about everything, because right now I just focus obviously about the TOYGERS. And with that being said, I'm actually finishing this video with the still talking about the TOYGERS. So right now I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the TOYGERS, like genuinely 3 minutes. So first thing first, if you will go for my referral link and you will farm the points, those points you'll be able to buy or just receive. As you can see here, I have like 5 million points. By the way, thank you very much guys for joining me. 10 people joined me, and I bought 3 toys, so that's the number of toys currently I'm running. So like super short, basically you're just going here, you're just playing whatever time you like to play, you're gathering the points. Those points you'll be able to buy like super nice hats, super nice hoodies, jewelry, gloves, other toys, robot toys, and candle sets. And this is just a fraction of what they going to say. That's what they said on that's what they announced on the X and on the Telegram account. TOYGERS.io, that's the website if you want to look into it. TOYGERS.io, that's the website, and you can just go and read about this. This project is massive, it's global. They already have partnerships within cities in Europe, countries in Europe, couple of countries, and I think it's Japan involved as well, Russia. I don't remember right now from the top of my head, but there's lots of stuff going on. There's going to be game release this year. They're developing the game, which you'll be able to use those points within the game. And obviously, yes, you right, in that game, we are going to be able to obviously get cryptocurrency as well. So it's like normal thing in the Web3 game. It's ecosystem, ton ecosystem. It's normal thing. Like they will try to hook you up with some game which you grinding the points right now, and those points you'll be able to use. And hopefully, because it's early stage everything, so everybody who is just listening right now what I'm talking, or you just joining that journey of the TOYGERS, hopefully everybody will receive some good stuff from it. So that's what I'm hoping for, that's what I'm excited about, that's why I'm promoting this brand. And well, if it's going to if it's going to be like super shit at the end of the day, like then I was just gonna stop doing that. But I think genuinely it's going to be amazing. So yeah, I'm just promoting this on daily basis, because basically you will get stuff for free by going through my referral. I will earn a little bit extra points from you guys as well, which ultimately means I have more points, so I will have more stuff, so I will have more stuff to give you for giveaways, because that's my idea. Like, I just basically want to use all those points for the giveaways. Obviously, I want to keep like one of each things I will receive, but then rest I just want to basically put to the giveaways, and we'll see how expensive stuff is it, because maybe 5 million points is fuck all, but I think no, not. So another thing which is super excited, and you're supposed to look into this, like after 20 days you will unlock the toy builder, and then you are going to be able to build your own toy. But I can't really tell more about this, just simply because, well, I didn't unlock the toy builder yet, so I will tell you more about this as soon as I unlock this. I still have 3 days, and after 3 days I will do the separate video about obviously the TOYGERS, and then we're just gonna dive into how much points or either slash money we need to spend. Other than that, what we have here, we have the collection tab, and then if you'll be able to buy the toys, and you're going to buy the toys, so this is the toys here. Currently we can buy it, so we have like a BOINKERS Series 15, City Holder Series 14, Series 3, TOYGERS Angels, but it's like super fucking expensive, $300 I think. TOYGERS Not Coin, which is like the cheapest one, and you're supposed to try to buy as much as possible if you are collectible people who have open mindset to understand. They actually give you the staking rewards, which I'm going to mention in a minute. And then we have another last 2 toys here, but they're also a little bit more expensive, like $120 each. This is like, I don't know, like $50 I think. Then this one is 300, this one is 100, and this one is $77. So we're just going to my collection tab right now. So I have like 3 toys, and that's what I said, like, doesn't really matter what price, what toy you will buy. Like, this one is 100, this one is $77, and this one I think is 50. So you're better off to buying the cheapest one, because all of them stake you the same amount of points. So there's no really point to buy much more expensive toys. If you can, let's say for argument's sake, buy like 10 of these, then you will have 200,000 yacht points on daily basis, because every of those toys giving me right now 20,000, so I have 60,000. In 3 days I will have 70,000, because that toy builder well, basically will grant you 10,000 points per day when you unlock that. So you don't need to buy anything, you just need to log in once, you just need to press for 20 days this silly button here when it's unlocking button, and then wait another 24 hours to have basically for free points. Like, you don't need to do anything at all. But obviously if you wish to buy some toys, you will be basically rewarded for that, because it's everything is in early stages. Like, people don't realize how big this is going to be. Lots of people don't even know there is such thing, and that's sort of, be honest with you guys, it's a good thing, because those people who now can invest into that, and they will have basically like massive advantage. Like, I already feel like I'm having much more advantage than people who don't know about this, and the world is so big, and it's just around 60,000 people in that on the X account, Telegram accounts. It's like fuck all. It's like fuck all, because this is going to be fucking massive. This is going to be, the millions of people will know about this brand. They basically just want to do high quality stuff in every aspect of human beings, like products to buy, like sort of Amazon, like and we're not talking about some shitty, clothes like, I don't know, Nike or Adidas, like produced in fucking China. We're talking about everything is handmade. So you will buy the hat or either hoodie with their logo. Okay, maybe logo it's something new, it's different, but it's fucking handmade. So fucking high quality stuff we're talking about. The same as the toys and the same everything what they are going to basically produce. So yeah, as you can see, we have one toy for $95, one toy for 77, and that's 19,000 NOT, I think. So it's around, I mean, I don't know, like from the top of my head, I think it's around 10. I don't know. I don't remember. I know it's cheap because I was looking for the cheapest one. So I think it's $40 or $50. I don't know. It's like super cheap to buy it. And also you have extra amount of points just when you buying this. And for the TOYGERS city holder and for the TOYGERS BOINKERS, you will receive, I think, half of the million points, and from this one 200 or 250, but I don't know exactly. But I will let you know in some video. It's not really that important, I guess. But just saying, if you wanna make as much point as possible, just simply go with that TOYGERS not coin. Just buy like 10 of them and you just basically good to go. Like, it's just good to go, because you will just making like 200,000 points on daily basis with basically doing nothing, and that will like basically set you up with a high quality of points, which ultimately you will make a profit from it. That's how I see it. Either way, if not the monetary profit, you will have the stuff, the gadgets. And how I see it, why I'm so excited, because I genuinely I believe, like, if I be able to get like, you know, good nice things, right, so I can do the giveaways from that. Like, and it's like sort of, it's not really for free, because at the end of the day I'm investing some money, investing some time, but I genuinely believe like I can actually build my brand around the TOYGERS brand, and also add later on in the future my own toy or maybe toys with my logo. So I'll be like super excited about this. Like, I'm already excited. I don't know how it's going to work out, but I hope it's going to work out and I'll be able to basically build my own toy and release and buy it. I just want to buy by myself to just show on the YouTube, or put on the shelf. Like, I already have an idea to buy the shelf just for those toys, but that's going to happen when they will stop the staking period, because the staking period, I think so, I believe I read, it's not going to be permanent. So keep that in mind. So right now you can stake, but then later on it's going to be removed. But don't quote me on this one. I need to read one more time again all the news, but I think so it is like that. Anyway, so thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye bye for now, and see you in the next video in a minute, or tomorrow, I suppose to say. Take care, bye for now.